Time to stop falling for the tricks. Time to stop believing the lies. Time for proof. No games here. Just look and listen. Logged into my account now, and yes, this is my verified and real balance. All I'm going to do live in front of your eyes is follow my pre-constructed trading strategies, which have been proven by all international institutes to generate a 4-figure daily income. And there it is. I just made over $120 in less than a minute. Some of you may recognize my name from my personal trading account, but if you missed that, then let me give you a hint. In 2013, I made $1,386,238, while my techniques made Rick Wilbert, Jenny Flynn, Thomas Dean, and others over $137,000. In 2014, I did it again, $2,901,872, while my methods made Michelle Frey, Colin Stevens, Charlie Kamen, and many others $337,000. And since the beginning of this year, I've generated $3,067,127 while making my followers over $452,000 in net profits. I'm best known for my highly effective trading techniques, which consistently generate weekly incomes of $8,347 for my followers. My name is Michael Silowski, and this is what I can do for you.
I got access to Cashcamp yesterday.
Cashcamp is incredible.
The software is really so simple.
And finally, a team that really helps.
Do you have any idea how many hours would I have to put in my day job to make this kind of money? Since March, I've been making weekly over $8,300.
$1,700 in pure profit?
Whoa. $2,050 in pure profit.
For the past 3 weeks, the returns haven't stopped rolling in daily.
This free trial is the best thing that has ever happened to me. This is really something.
This invite feels like such a gift.
Now, before I get into the details of my miraculous methods, let me ask you, how many fake trading software offers have you seen in your lifetime? And how much of your hard-earned cash have you lost because of them? I hope you finally understood that no one out there has a quick millionaire fix. And if not, then please sober up fast. What I am about to show you will place you on a path to a real and brighter financial future. This will only work if you're fully focused and understand my zero-cost, logical proposal. Then you and I will benefit together. You should know something about me. I'm not what you'd call a religious person, but I do firmly believe in what Jesus taught. Give a man a fish, and you feed him for a day. Show him how to catch fish, and you feed him for a lifetime. This is why we've created Cashcamp. If your current profit method isn't making you at least $1,192.43 daily, then get ready, because today you will learn how to fish for yourself and watch real profits flooding in, just like all Cashcamp members do 7 days a week, 365 days a year, at no cost, no commitment, for a 1 month full free with all my inclusive virtual Cashcamp offers. It will only take a few minutes a day to see the money flowing into your account. You're probably asking yourself, how does Cashcamp work? Simple. After years of training and leading my loyal followers to daily incomes like these, my team and I have developed a 3-point plan to ensure high profit performance for any total newbie or experienced trader. It is that simple. We have analyzed all reasons why most traders fail and have defeated the obstacles for you. Obstacle 1. Most traders fail because of a lack of knowledge, no free time, and wrong risk decision making. The Cashcamp solution is a high-achieving, intelligent signal and autopilot software with a 97.79% success rate that works for you to eliminate any risk due to lack of experience. Obstacle 2. Most traders don't have the confidence or supporting network required for success. The CashCamp solution is member interaction. When members interact with each other, they build the confidence needed to succeed faster. Our technology allows users to interact and share productive tips with one another at our VIP virtual room. Obstacle 3, the mother of all reasons why traders fail: lack of dedication. The CashCamp solution is to lead you toward your future as a profitable trader. Register free to CashCamp and automatically join our 10-day 10K traders competition. Learn how to trade or set the software on autopilot. Compete free with 9 other traders for a $10,000 cash award, all funded by CashCamp. Yes, you heard right. Make daily profits and also compete with 9 other traders at no risk but $10,000. We put our money where our mouth is. You can profit big with your free trial. But let's not kid ourselves. Even the very best software is worthless if you're not motivated. See for yourself just how powerful CashCamp is with our advanced software, guidance, and most importantly, your devotion. You'll soon bank $8,347 weekly with the chance to win another $10,000 as a reward for your dedication. Every day, we experience the pleasure of seeing more and more people transform their financial reality from stress to success. Best part is our profit model is based on your financial gain. A real win-win. You see, after your free 30-day trial, you can choose to continue with our sophisticated software and services. But as a CashCamp graduate, once we prove that our 3-point strategy program can generate for you a daily income of $1,192, you'll become your own official partner, just like thousands before you. Allow me to introduce Robin, one of our newest members, to explain further.
Well, let's put it this way. Being a single mother and the only earner is not a simple task. I love how you first proved with your free trial it's possible to make over $1,000 daily. And your 10% commission business model after the 30-day free trial only seems logical. You're doing a fantastic job, and you can count on me as another loyal customer. Kisses!
Thank you, Robin. An amazing woman, by the way. Look, when I first met Robin, she told me all about her horrible experiences she had with other programs. I was absolutely horrified, but it motivated me to make sure our goals became realities, and today they're proven facts. Our ideology is based on helping the inexperienced and those who have been wrong in the past. After all, unlike other programs, our business model is based on a win-win opportunity. No fine print, no tricks, and no forceful commitment. After your 30-day free trial period, for each dollar you make, we make a dime. If you don't profit, we don't profit. Our success is based on your success. Rest assured, our sophisticated trading software, excellent 24/7 support team, and monthly upgrades will always be of the highest quality. Look, we've transformed thousands of lives, and now we're ready to transform yours. We have covered all of the obstacles, and all that is left is for you to decide if you are ready. You are the master of your own destiny, and you decide whether or not you are up for the risk-free, high-profiting, proven-to-work journey. Register below and start profiting like so many before you. Everyday people who didn't give up and found a logical, sensible, and lucrative money-making program. CashCamp. Hear it from some of our new CashCamp members.
Solofsky, I must tell you, I've been down the road of trying different software many times. It's my job to blog about such systems to protect my readers from the useless ones out there. And God knows there are many. But, and I'm glad there is a but, I can tell you now that CashCamp really works. And I'm seeing a very impressive return on investment. I'll continue to update you through Skype, my dear friend. Cheers.
Michael, all I can say is I love it. I'm about 2 weeks into my free trial and just wow, I can't believe how comfortable and easy everything has been. I really have always thought that new beginnings were supposed to be hard, but with your team, your software, and your guidance, I have already earned about $17,000. And this is coming from a person who has never really earned a dime on her own. So this is overwhelming and very new for me. Thank you.
You see the excitement in their eyes, and to think just a few weeks ago, they were totally lost. In just a few weeks, they have made thousands, and all thanks to CashCamp's intelligently organized free program. We've got the best team, the most sophisticated software, and the most logical profit plan, all waiting for you to make your move. So don't hesitate. Don't pass up this highly lucrative opportunity. We all know that good investments involve low risk, high reward, and right timing. CashCamp comes built in with low risk and high rewards, but, and there is a but, the right timing is up to you. You see, CashCamp is totally free for now. As long as this offer is up and running, this opportunity is yours for the taking. If you've been wronged in the past, if you're unhappy with your monthly income, and if you feel you need a change, then this is the right timing for you. Take advantage of this limited time offer and sign up for free right now. We are ready to take you on as our new free CashCamp member, and we've got all you need to succeed. Register below and join CashCamp today, the world's first virtual camp that generates real cash. Time is money. No more need to waste any more. Register now and save your spot. I'll see you on the other side right after this.